Welcome to Digital Dreamers Project, a project that is focused on using the tech-based knowledge to come up with an application that will tackle the rise in banditry and kidnapping in northern Nigeria, particularly as it affects tourism. The backbone behind this project are Akintunde Adeosun, Blessing Oyibo, Ngozi Precious, Hassan Rahman, and Philip Olo. It's all about. This is an app that is designed towards fighting the rise of kidnapping and banditry in northern Nigeria. It enhances the sharing of free-time location and getting an emergency response. The rise in kidnapping and banditry in northern Nigeria is damaging the region's industry and it has a negative impact on the local community. Why is it matter to tackle the rise in banditry and kidnapping? The issue does not necessarily affect only the safety and well-being of individuals in the region, but it also damages the economic activities and social fabric of the region. And this is making it crucial for it to be addressed in order to maintain and sustain the development in northern Nigeria. Meet Aisha, one of the user persona that has engaged and interacted with the app, and hear what Aisha pinpoints is. Aisha is a tourist guide, and Aisha has a business that is declining, that is being affected by the rise in kidnapping and banditry in northern Nigeria. And Aisha goal is just that Aisha wants to feel safe and secure while working. Aisha pinpoint is the fear of being kidnapped and lack of emergency response. Having seen as lack of emergency response as the fear, then the need for this app becomes necessary. One of the factual information to show the rise in kidnapping in northern Nigeria is displayed in the slide. The second fact is as well displayed, while the third fact is also displayed. Problem statement. Why do we really need to do this? Why do we really need to build an app that will enhance emergency response? The purpose of doing this is to provide a real-time alert and emergency response service to users in northern Nigeria. Yes, how do we intend to do it? Let me introduce you to what we call Rescue Me, the name of the app we intend to build to tackle the rise in kidnapping and banditry in Nigeria. As displayed on the slide, you can see the page 1 is the Rescue Me welcome page. Page 2 is where you'll be asked to register or to sign in. Page 3 is where you'll be asked if you're a tourist or a community user. By tourist means you are visiting for the purpose of tourism. Community user means you are part of the stakeholders, whether an airline ticket service, hotel service, or even a tourist guide or security agencies. This is where you click a community to register. And the next page you'll be redirected to is where you have the page of location, where you can share your location. You have the panic button, the profile, and the setting. This, of course, is an ongoing project. It is subject to addition. It is subject to improvement. We can always work on it to edit so as to suit the user persona. The need and the pain points. Why do we need this app? We need this app in order to provide a means of emergency response to user, just like we have seen in the case of the user persona Aisha, where her need is just to have an access to emergency. Of course, this app is always open to recommendations and there's always need for an improvement. We can always enhance that. The data encryption is enhanced so that we can protect the data privacy of the users. Peradventure, we have funding for this project. What do we intend to do? If we are giving fund, we intend to continuously work on our solution, to scale it up, to extend the service of our solution to a large number of users, to integrate this our solution with the existing emergency response system, and we should continuously monitor and evaluate the app effectively and make adjustments when needed. Thank you.